And with this, on behalf of the organizing committee, we request Your Holiness to continue to teach us at Asia Teaching next year and many more years ahead. Please stay healthy and safe. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Holiness.
그러니까 싱가포르 말해. 싱가포르.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you are from Singapore.
Next year,
Yes.
for the time being, this illness, so they cannot sort of go outside. Next year, perhaps a possibility visit Singapore. And then from
Thank
there,
you.
I already received some invitation, some my friend from Taiwan. So first from here to Singapore, and then Taiwan.
Rejoice, Your Holiness.
Of course, if the Beijing, the People's Republic of China, as they allowed me to visit Taiwan, then I think Singapore, first Singapore, few days, then Taiwan.
Thank you, Your Holiness. Your friend in Singapore will be waiting for you. We hope you will visit Taiwan soon
Thank you.
and come by Singapore.
Thank you.
Thank you and have a good day.